Welcome back on Info for Triply, and you are watching a series on basics of MATLAB Simulink. This is ninth lecture of this series in which we will discuss about to workspace or SIMOUT block in MATLAB Simulink, and my name is Paramjit Singh Jamwal. First of all, we will know why to use to workspace or SIMOUT. MATLAB simulation results generally comes with black background and yellow data color. This block helps us to extract this data from simulation and transfer it to workspace. To understand the use of to workspace block, I am continuing the simulation which I have created in 8th lecture. Now open Simulink library and identify the to workspace block. You can find this block under sync section, and this block is available here. Just drag this block into your simulation file. To know more about SIMOUT block, just double click on this block, and in this block first of all description is given. Now variable name, you can assign name according to your choice. I am assigning I for input. Decimation is 1 selected already. Next thing is save format. There is 4 formats are there. You can select according to your choice. For my task, I want this data in array form, so I'm selecting it array. And next thing is sample time. As previously in my simulation, I have selected the sample time as 1 microsecond. So remember that in whole block same solution time should be selected. So I am selecting it 1 microsecond. Apply this setting and OK it. Through this to workspace block, I want to transfer my input data to workspace in I variable. So I am connecting this block to input. Now I am copying this block for second data, and that is output. So change its variable name by O and apply this setting and close it. Now connect this block to output data. Along with our input and output data, you require one more thing, that is time data. That data you can extract through a clock which is available in sources. So just drag this clock to your simulation file, and to know more about this, click on clock. Here description given, and only one thing is there, that is decimation. As in to workspace we selected 1 decimation, so here also you can select 1 decimation. Apply this setting and close it. Now copy one more to workspace block for clock and change its name accordingly. Now this variable is t, so I am assigning it, and now close it and connect this to workspace through clock. Now our simulation model is almost ready. Before running this simulation, save this simulation with different name so that our previous simulation can be retained. Now run this simulation. And go to command window. Here you can see that input data, output data and time data, all 3 data is available in workspace. You can view this data just using simple plot command. So this is our input waveform. And this is your output waveform. That means through this command you have extracted your both data as input as well as output data. You can do more with this data, for which you can refer our fifth video on basics of MATLAB programming. This is sufficient for today. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to click on thumb icon. If your friends is interested to learn basics of MATLAB Simulink, then share this video with him. And if you have any query about to workspace or SimOut blog, you can ask it in below mentioned comment box. If you want to get the notification about our upcoming videos, then don't forget to click on subscribe button. Thank you for being with us.